How to contact FedEx support. Hello friends, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can contact support on FedEx, and here is how to go about it. The first step is to um log in into your FedEx account or visit the FedEx website. Once you're on the website, you can see different options here being displayed. All right. Once you can see all of this, the next step is to go to the top part of the screen where you can see the support option and then just click on it. Then amongst the options displayed, you can see new customer center, customer customs tools, locations, claims, FAQs. Just go ahead and click on customer support. And so, after clicking on customer support, you'll be taken to the customer support page. On this page, you would see the option for you to speak with the virtual agent. All right, here on the screen, you could just decide to ask a question by going to the lower right corner of the page if it's active. All right, and then you can just ask a question. You can ask the virtual agent the question. But if it's not working, you don't need to panic. All you need to do is just scroll up and then you can check out other options here. All right, you can have other self tools and resources such as articles that have addressed certain questions. So you can just check out the questions here, the topics here, and then see the ones that you fall under. You can click on it and then answers will be provided. Let's say for example you want to ask a question how you can create a shipping label. All you need to do is to click on shipping label and then you'll be taken to the page where the article that has answered the question would be displayed. And then you can see the menu of a shipping label. You can see how to create it and then you can go ahead to create it too. This is one way, and another way um is by scrolling down, all right, to check out the frequently asked questions. All right, this is also very effective. By clicking on the frequently asked questions, you will also be directed to a place where you would see answers to your question. And then another thing you can do is that you can scroll down to the point where you can see the write up which says text social number in order to connect with the virtual support agent. So for you to be able to connect to the virtual support agent, just send a text to this number that has been typed here, and then you would also get your answers. And then lastly, you can give a call. All right, this is usually the last result after you've tried everything out and it's not working. You can just give a call in order to get response as fast as possible. So to give a call, click on the find the customer service phone number link, and then you'll be taken to the FedEx contact information page. And then on this page, you'll be asked to select a location in order to get the number that you can call, get the number, and answers will be given to you. So this is how you can contact FedEx service. Thank you for watching and have a good day.